Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a gentle morning Pilates routine for you. So when you're ready, go ahead and grab a mat and let's get started. We're going to start lying down on our backs, knees bent, legs together. Bring your arms overhead so that the back of the hand is touching the floor. Then drop your knees over to the left side, stretching through your spine. And then coming back to center. Drop your knees over to the right, and exhale, center. Inhale, repeat over to the left. Exhale, back to center. Inhale to the right. Exhale, back to center. Just a couple more here, really getting a bit of a stretch through your spine just to wake up this morning. And then coming back to center. Rotate your head to the right as you bring the right arm by your hip. And then coming back to center, both arms reaching towards the ceiling. And then switch sides. Left arm drops by your hip, right arm overhead. Neck rotates to the left. Back to center. Inhale, rotate to the right. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, rotate to the left. Exhale, center. Over to the right once more. Center. One more time to the left. And then coming back to center here. Bring your arms to a T with the palms up. And we're going to do some gentle pelvic tilts here. So exhale as you tuck pubic bone to navel. Flatten your back into the bed. And then inhale, arch your spine. Think of pushing your pubic bone towards your feet. Exhale, rounding the back. Inhale, arching the back. One more here. As you round the back, don't bulge through your abdomen. And then now we'll add a bridge or a pelvic curl. So exhale as you tuck pubic bone to navel. Then roll your hips up one vertebra at a time. And then inhale, lower the hips straight down. So no curl on the way down. Exhale, rolling up again. Inhale, lower straight down. Exhale, roll up again, tucking pubic bone to navel, then peeling yourself off the floor. And lower straight back down. Then exhale, lift straight up, hinging from your hips, squeeze your glutes. And inhale, drop the lower ribs down and lower one vertebra at a time. Exhale, lift the hips straight up. And inhale, lower down one vertebra at a time. Last one, exhale, straight up. Inhale, lower down. Very nice. Now go ahead and drop your knees over to the right side. Reach your left arm overhead, circle it along the floor to meet the right hand. And then inhale, opening up again. Exhale to close. Inhale, open, circling up. Let's do one more like that. Circling down over to the right. And then over to the left. Bring your knees back to center. Then drop your knees over to the left. Go ahead and gaze to your right hand. And then exhale, scoop the right arm overhead, over to your left side, following with your gaze. And then inhale, open up, circling open. Exhale, close, circle the arm overhead. And then inhale, opening up the chest again. Just one more like this. Circling overhead. And then open up. Bring your legs back to center and just separate the feet so that they're hip width now. From here, bring your hands behind your head. Really support your head here. Take a breath in. And then exhale, lift your chest. Think ribs to pelvis. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, lift, so getting a bit of articulation into your upper back. Keep moving here, lifting on your exhale, inhaling to lower. Keep your pelvis stable as you do this, so we're focusing on the movement at the upper spine. You don't want any movement in your lumbar spine. Just 3 more here. Last one, hold your chest lifted, scoop your arms down by your hips, and then hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower the head, lower the arms down. Very nice. Inhale to prepare here. Just check that you still have your neutral. Exhale, lift your right leg to tabletop. Inhale, hold. Exhale, lift your left leg to tabletop. Inhale, hold. And then coming into our scissors. Exhale, lower the right foot to tap the floor. Inhale, lift back up. Exhale, lower the left foot to tap the floor. Inhale, lift back up. Keep alternating legs here, moving from your hip. So think about the thigh moving up and down rather than just bending at the knee. If you like, you can bring your hands onto your frontal hip bones to feel for any movement here. Let's do one more here on the left. And then place your hands on your thighs. Push your left hand into your left thigh. As you exhale, reach your right arm overhead and extend your right leg. Inhale, come back to center. Push your right hand into your right thigh. Reach your left arm overhead as you extend the left leg. Inhale, back in. Exhale, extend right arm and leg. Inhale, back in. Exhale, extend left arm and leg. Inhale, back in. Exhale, extend, pushing into the opposite thigh, back in. Exhale, extend, again pushing hand to thigh, and back in. Just a couple more on each side here to really warm up the core. You want the arm and leg to be about 45 degrees away from the floor, so you don't need to extend all the way. One more here on the left. And then coming back to center. Hug the knees into your chest. And then place one hand on each knee. Hugging the knees in, circle them out to the side, scoop back through the center, and pull them in again. So just gentle circles here in one direction. And then switching direction of your circles, opening up, in, down, open, in, down. You can round through your back here. No need to keep stable here. This is more about mobility than stability. And then hug the knees in one last time. Push your shins into your hand and slowly rock back and forth until you're able to rock up to seated. From here, come into a comfortable cross-legged position, sitting nice and tall. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the left as your left hand comes back behind you. Right hand to right knee. And then inhale, back up through center. Exhale, twist to the right. Right fingertips back behind you, lengthening through your spine. Inhale, back to center. Let's do one more on each side. Exhale to the left. Take a breath in here. Exhale, see if you can rotate a little further. Only minimal pressure through the back hand. Last one here. Inhale up. Exhale, twist to the right. Lengthen through your spine. Take a deep breath in. Again, only light pressure through the fingertips. Exhale. Inhale, back up through center. And then exhale, relax the arms down. Let's take one more breath in. Arms go up. Exhale, lower down. And you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this gentle morning Pilates routine. Don't forget to leave a like or comment down below what other videos or props you'd like to see me use. Thanks again for joining, and I'll see you in the next one.